Model, 62-plate CITROEN Relay 35L3 diesel 2.2 HDi chassis cab 130 PS body, white, tipper mileage, 66,957 engine, 2,198 cc 4 HDi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Very rare low mileage tipper condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on